Welcome to the heart of Sierra Leone, a land steeped in ancient tales and timeless wisdom. Today we journey into the realm of folklore to uncover the legend of the Sankofa bird, a story that has been passed down through generations. In a village nestled amidst the emerald forest of Sierra Leone, there lived a young girl named Kaya. She possessed a spirit as free as the winds and a heart as pure as the rivers that course through the land. Legends spoke of the Sankofa bird, a mystical creature that held the wisdom of the ages within its wings. It was said that those who encountered the Sankofa bird were blessed with the opportunity to seek knowledge from the past and carry it into the future. Driven by a thirst for wisdom and a longing to understand her heritage, Kaya embarked on a quest to find the mythical Sankofa bird, guided by the whispers of the elders and the gentle rustling of the leaves. Under the golden glow of the setting sun, Kaya's eyes met those of the Sankofa bird. And in that ephemeral moment, time seemed to stand still. The Sankofa bird beckoned her to listen, to learn, and to carry the echoes of the past into the promise of tomorrow. Armed with the wisdom of her ancestors, Kaya returned to her village, where she became a guardian of tradition, a beacon of knowledge, and a keeper of the boundless spirit that defined Sierra Leone. As the sun sets over the horizon of Sierra Leone, the legend of the Sankofa bird lives on, reminding us to honor our heritage, seek wisdom from the past, and chart a future illuminated by the timeless stories that unite us. May the spirit of the Sankofa bird guide us, inspire us, and remind us of the treasure trove of wisdom nestled within the tales of Sierra Leone. Join us next time as we delve into another captivating chapter of folklore from this enchanting land.